Big disappointment.
Well, that is some bullshit.
That is some bullshit. I don't know why that Durham's does not like cedar. But look at that, it like rotted around every fucking nail. And I had to dig that all out. Now I bought a big can of, I think it's Dapp's plastic wood or whatever. So I'm gonna try that because obviously the Durham's was not working. I mean, look at that. You know, and it was all like this.
Yeah.
And
Which okay, that is falling apart.
a little bit, but this was just crumbled right out of there. You know, so I had to get all that rot out of there. So now that when I fill it, it's got something solid again.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah, but I mean, this was the test spot, so it was a test that failed.
Mm-hmm.
So we, you know, like I say, I got plastic wood. I'm gonna fill all that back in.
Right.
And then when I go to paint, obviously I'll just go right over that again.
Glad you didn't do more.
Yeah, very glad. You know, like I said, I've used that stuff in the past and always had great luck with it, which is why I wanted to use it again. Why it doesn't want to work with this cedar, I don't know.
That wood does look beautiful though.
Yeah. You know, for being siding from 1925, it's not,
Yeah.
I mean, it's got its, you know, it's worn, but it's not a lost cause. You know?